food. So I cannot wait to get home so I can try this with y'all. Let's go. What's up, TeeArmy? It's your girl, T, and I am back with another food review, okay? So I just got some food from Master Sushi in Waukegan, Illinois. For all my Lake County family who watching this, okay? And I got like a taco, like a sushi taco, but salmon. Okay, so salmon sushi taco. And I also got crab California roll 2. Now both of these normally come spicy, but I got my regular because I don't really like spicy stuff until I know how spicy they are. But here are the tacos. Ooh, don't fall, baby. Y'all see it? Ooh, we're gonna try that first. So come on, let's try that first. This is already trying to come about. Okay. Because it looks like we got, I don't know what's on here. Rice, salmon. We're going to pop it sweet. This sauce is good. Some of my salmon fell on the table. Okay, we're gonna try. Now that's creative. But it's crab at the bottom, right there. That's crab. And then it's rice. That's really creative. So the shell is deep fried. The salmon is grilled. That's really good. Let me That's good, y'all. That's good. So that's avocado. The green thing, it's avocado. So it's like a sushi taco. Huh. That's creative. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna try the actual sushi. That taco is so good. Oh, and they're deep fried. So these are the California rolls. They're deep fried with crab. Y'all know cucumber probably, and y'all know what else comes in sushi. This is so dope. I've never had a deep fried sushi ever. I don't know what's on the top. So the crab is on the inside. That's what it looks like on the inside. That thing is deep fried. Look at that. I ain't never had a deep fried sushi before. Okay, let's try it. I like this. They got cream cheese in the middle. But this is really good. Surprisingly good. I didn't know how it was going to taste. But this is real good. I actually saw my coworker with this today. And I came in and it was smelling all good up in there. What you eating? And I asked her, I'm looking at her, I'm like, is that sushi? And she was like, yeah. I was like, where you get that from? She told me the place, Master Sushi in Waukegan on Grand Avenue and Macquarie. And she told me about it. I'm like, oh, how much did that cost? You know, getting the deets. Because I'm like, I'm about to go get that because it smells real good. I'm about to try it like sushi. Cooked sushi. I don't like raw stuff. But this fried, I would have never thought to fry a sushi. But they got something. And then they had a few more things on the menu, which I'm going to show you guys the inside the menu on the thing and what all they sell. And then y'all can go and find it and go get y'all some because it's, I'm surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised. First of all, the tacos was fire. Okay, the tacos was fire. It was a sushi and a taco. And then these deep fried sushi is like, yes. And whatever this is on top is good too. Okay, look like zucchini. Look like shaved zucchini or something. Oh, it's fine. Y'all in Waukegan, Master Sushi, go get you some. You won't be disappointed. It's real good. If you like spicy stuff, they got a lot of spicy stuff. You'll like it. I don't really like spicy stuff, so I stick with stuff. But everything there that's spicy, you can get unspiced. So that's a super plus. But y'all, I'm about to eat this food because I'm starving and it tastes real good. So I'm done recording. I don't want to record anymore. I want to eat. Alright, so see y'all later. Bye.